This video introduces you to the pedagogical use of Periscope. Periscope is used by organizations, companies, athletes, pop stars, and private users. The main purpose is to share with the world what the user is experiencing right now by broadcasting live video stream that is available in Periscope for a limited time period. Periscope is a social video streaming platform that can be used with mobile devices. Periscope is an app that lets you share and experience live video streams direct from your smartphone or tablet. Periscope is a live video streaming platform, which means you can transmit a live recording of yourself to your Periscope followers. Instead of video calling a single person, you're linked up to the whole community. Whoever is watching your transmission can comment and ask questions. These show up on the screen whilst broadcasting, making it easy to answer and interact. This feature of Periscope makes it a more active viewing experience compared to, for example, watching videos on YouTube. Periscope can be used in the same way as Snapchat. Wet learners can send live stream, for example, from on-the-job learning period, and the wet teacher can follow how well the wet student is doing the work process and give feedback by live streaming on Periscope. Often GoPro cameras are used in order to get the work process properly on video. The immediacy of the app encourages viewers to participate in what's happening in the video. Viewers do this by sending comments, which the person sharing the video can respond to in real time. This feature can be used in feedback and counseling situations. The teacher can provide immediate feedback and the student can ask questions or clarifications.